Here is the quick unboxing of BOSCH Symphony Horn, model name F002H10028. Two units are provided inside the box without any cable or relay unit. Mounting positions are also mentioned as well. Price quoted on the box is Rs 684. However, you will get it for around 550 rupees on Amazon. Wiring diagram is also mentioned on the box and I have chosen to install without existing horn. This is the closer look at horn units. Unit marked with blue dot is for low tone and another unit marked with red dot is loud tone. Build quality is not bad and it is made out of plastic material. I couldn't record installation video, hence I would like to show the place where it is installed. One unit is installed here by replacing original horn here, another is below left side headlamp. Here is the sound test. Amazon buying link to this product is added in video description below and it is advisable to buy from the seller Cloudtel India.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching the video. If you have found this video informative, please share it with your circles and don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons.